In this video, we will go through the setup of your Gorgias help desk. Actually, there are two setup videos. In this first one, we will go through the main integrations you will want to connect to Gorgias. These include both the communication channels and the back office apps, so Gmail, chats, Facebook and Instagram, Shopify, Recharge, etc. In the second setup video, we will set up the agent profiles, channel signatures, and default notifications. And if you are coming from Zendesk, I will show you how to import your Zendesk data. So let's start with the main integrations. You can, for each integration, switch it on or off without having to install it. So for the email accounts, you can set up several email accounts on the same Gorgias account. And you will want to connect your email accounts to the help desk to be able to reply to and send emails from Gorgias. Everything coming into your email account will be forwarded to the help desk. So once you've filled in the information or connected your Gmail account, just follow the instructions to set up the forwarding from your email account into Gorgias. The last 100 mails received in your inbox before the integration will be imported to maintain your conversation history with your customers. You can also choose to import your spam emails. And if you need more step-by-step instructions on the forwarding, according to specific inboxes like Outlook and GoDaddy, we have created some help documents in the documentation section right here. Now for the chat on your website. Again, the chat is very easy to add to your website. So let's go ahead and create it. You can change the text. And the colors. All right. Once you've created your chat, if you are a Shopify store, you just need to click here to add the chat to your website. And if you aren't a Shopify store, you just need to copy this piece of code into your website's code. Now for your preferences on email capture and offline responders. Basically, when you connect your Shopify app or Recharge, ShipStation, or any of your back office apps, the help desk will be able to recognize customers chatting to you on your chat using the customer information and their contact details. So actually, when you will be talking with that person on the chat, their name and details will appear. However, if the person chatting to you isn't one of your users or customers, they will appear as anonymous. So in that case, you will probably want to have their email address so that you can contact them, follow up via email. So you can ask for their email with this email capture option, and you can personalize the message according to if you're online or offline. Same goes for the autoresponder. So the autoresponder is activated when your chat is on the offline status, and if you have clicked to enable the autoresponder. Again, you can customize the message here. Now, speaking of the offline and online status for the chat, you can choose to manually set yourself to offline or online for the chat. And if you don't do that and you have been inactive for more than 30 minutes on your computer, say if you've gone on a break or in a meeting, the chat will automatically set you as offline. Now, if all your agents are offline, the chat will be set to the offline status. So this means the autoresponder will be sent if the autoresponder has been activated, and the away email capture message will be sent for the email capture. Just note that the chat does need a few minutes, from 3 to 5 minutes, to update statuses on the website. One last thing about the chat are chat campaigns. So chat campaigns are pop-ups that you can activate on certain pages of your website to start the conversation off with your website's visitors. So this means that you can actually start the conversation rather than waiting for the visitor to ask you a question. Let's just look at how it looks on our website. So, for example, on our Compare Zendesk page, after a few seconds, a pop-up will appear from As If, asking a question and trying to start off the conversation with the visitor. This is really easy to set up and activate from your help desk. So, let's create our campaign. You need to indicate on which page of your website this pop-up is going to go. And you can also add a time period after which the pop-up does appear. Then you can type in the message. And choose from which agent the message is going to be sent. Just note that when you do add the agent, the chat message coming in won't necessarily go to that agent in question. Then you just need to create the campaign. And again, it can be turned off or on if you wish to. So the next really nice integration is with Facebook and Instagram. That's really easy. All you need to do is log into your Facebook page from your help desk and follow the instructions from there. Once you have logged in and integrated your page, you can choose to enable Facebook Messenger, Facebook comments and posts, and Instagram comments. For Instagram, make sure your Instagram page is connected to your Facebook page before the integration. And now for the Shopify integration, this is really easy. All you need to do is type in your store's name right here and add the integration. The help desk will import your data from Shopify account, and this can take a few hours to complete. Same goes for recharge. Again, you just need to type in your store's name. And once you have integrated, it can take a few hours for the data to be imported, depending on your custom account. For all the other integrations, the instructions are either provided on the integration page or in the Gorgias documentation under integrations.